Here's another guy on YouTube who teaches YouTubers how to be millionaires. Okay, I put this on. It's like 5 hours. I just put it on and I put the volume off and then do something. Then come back, turn the volume on. But I looked him up. I says, oh, well, how did this guy make his money? So he could teach about how to make others millionaires. I found out he made his money teaching others how to be millionaires. That's it. You should be teaching how to be a motivational speaker, not teaching how to have the millionaire mind. Another one, unfortunately, disappoints me, showing me that they made their money just as motivational speakers. Never any business or investments or anything else.